Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to go live on Likee. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is of course open the Likee app and log into your account. After that, you need to click on the plus sign at the bottom area of your screen. Once you click on that guys, at the bottom area you're going to find the live option right there. Go ahead and select that. Once that is selected, you can now click on the go live button to go live. But then there's something you have to keep in mind. Likee has a live requirement for all users, so you need to meet a certain live requirement before you can actually go live on Likee. But before you do that guys, if you look at the bottom area, you find some type of live that you can host on Likee. We have solo live, we have multi-guest, we have audio room, we have party game, we have game, and we have match. Okay, so you just have to select the type that you want to host. Right, so once that is selected, for example, I want to host a solo live, and that means it's just me that's going to be on the live stream. If it's a multi-guest, it means I can add people on the live stream, and it goes like that. So I'll select the solo host and then I'll click on go live. Once I click on the go live button here, you're going to see some live requirements that you actually need to meet. First, you need to make sure that you are 18 and above of age. You need to publish your own original short video. You need to reach a certain Likee level or follower volume. So let's click on the view details to see more of these requirements. All right, so you need to reach 18 years of age. You need to create 2 or more original short video. You need to create at least 2 or more original short videos here, and you need to have no valuation committed in past 30 days. You need to have 5 fans or more. All right, so once this requirement is once you meet this requirement, then you can go live on Likee. But if you have not yet meet this requirement, just go ahead and make sure that you meet this requirement. Then you can always come here and click on the go live button to go live on Likee. So that's it guys. Hope you understand the procedure it takes to go live on Likee. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.